more success, consistency, to a clearer mind, to more soft girl era, to more communication, to branding, to opening up more, letting you guys see me better, to a 28, because I'm finna 8 this year like I ate 27. Happy birthday! Thank you. Oh!
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that...
Hey everybody, my name is Steph and welcome back to my channel. If you are a new bestie, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're a returning bestie, hey girl, hey. So today is my birthday. It is October 25th. It is early and yeah, we finna get the good day. Blah blah boom pop pop pop. Yeah, we finna get the day started. We're gonna go out, you know what I'm saying, just have like a little self-care day, do like some shopping, nails, little slight stuff. Babe's baking breakfast for me and stuff like that, so I'm gonna eat that and then head out. And then tonight we got reservations. We're gonna go get some food, take it real easy today. It's only Tuesday. It's not really much to do out here the weekday, so save all of that good stuff at the weekend and then we're gonna go out. But yeah, then next week we're gonna go to the 85 South show and then we're also gonna go to Atlanta. I cannot wait for that. That's gonna be so lit. That's gonna be so lit. So yeah, I'm just taking it easy today because I'm just getting prepared for everything else to come up. So yeah, I'm ready to get started. Your girl just turned 28, so yeah, I'm kind of like a little different now. Like I kind of want to take things easy now. I ain't really up for the big stuff no more. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to that. So I'm gonna check back in when I get dressed. So I am back and I am dressed now. I'm just gonna wear this hat from Jergnut, this two-piece day outfit I got from Skims, and this jacket from Misguided. And I'm gonna wear my Doc Martens. They are at my door already, and that's just the quick outfit of the day, just for now. It's like come home and change for dinner and stuff. So just debating, y'all. I gotta put a step stool in my closet because I can't reach it. Reach nothing. So let's grab this. I'm mad I just put all my bags back too because I gotta go. Yeah, right now my closet looks super empty. I just took my clothes to the cleaners, and plus I'm like moving out my summer clothes and moving in my winter and fall stuff too. So it looks small right now, but this is the half of it right now. In the middle of like reorganizing and like doing a bunch of different stuff around the house and in my closet and stuff. So yeah, this is like my starter set. Like I did my shoes and stuff like that, but it's okay right now. It's okay. So now I'm about to switch purses and get in my car and head to the store.
Fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. You still give me head if I had day shifts. I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she wanted.
Hey besties, so I just left Nordstrom Rack. I couldn't really record and talk much in there. They had music playing, but they didn't have nothing in there. I was looking for like a cute bag or something to go with my outfit tonight, but it just wasn't given. That's one thing about being out here. It's hard to find like really cute clothes. So right now my Uber says it's 1 minute away, and now we're gonna go to get our nails and our feet done because it's time. So yeah, y'all, check back in when I get there. So it's the next day, and last night was decent. Had like a decent little dinner and with the fam and stuff. Pretty peaceful, pretty quiet. So now about to get dressed. Me and my girl, we about to go get drinks and keep the day going, keep all the celebrating going. I'm getting dressed right now. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear. I wear something that's gonna be like decent for content. I had an idea to wear this blazer because I really didn't wear too much. I got it from Miss Guided a little while ago. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this with some heels and probably my Chanel. Do something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm about to change now and then I'm gonna come right back. Alright, y'all, just got dressed. I'm gonna do gold jewelry with this. I tried it with the silver and it wasn't giving what I needed it to give.
10 minutes away.
You said 10 minutes?
Mm.
I'm on FaceTime with my friend now. She like, bro, come on. Got her. Shit.
You said your friend said what?
I said I'm on FaceTime. I'm recording too.
Uh-huh.
I cannot get this on.
I gotta DoorDash's pull-ups.
Hey, let me see. Yeah, this is giving, I guess. I want to do something with a pop of color. Trying to see. I'm gonna do what color heels and stuff. Now I'm gonna do this watch set. I'm gonna do the arm candy. I never wear my bracelets and watches and stuff.
Oh shit, my ass tweaking. What with it? They don't be no. Oh, they 6 minutes. They drive slow.
You said how far?
Nigga. Let me hurry up and pee.
You said 6 minutes?
Grab my Louis. You think I should grab the Louis?
Yeah, that match.
Because my nails brown anyway.
Yeah, we're gonna do the earrings.
I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. Bitch, I'm G to the L to the O-P. You can catch me at a track tennis, slime with your hoes. I ain't popping out at party, gotta book me for a show. They say I be living fast, nah, pussy boy slow. Hey, we hopping out at red lights, twerking on them headlights. She say she can't come outside today, that means she scared, right? I be put up in the winter, in the summer, pop out every night. Bragging on that nigga top, you better hold his head tight. Anyways, life's great, pussy still good. They still eating cake, wishing that a bitch rich. Got my foot up on their necks, as a bitch should. On the front, I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. Fucking on them headlights. Fucking on them headlights. Fucking on them headlights.
Hey besties, so it is now Sunday and getting dressed right now. I got some work to do. I'm about to edit my vlogs and stuff like that and get ready and cook some din. I had seen this recipe on TikTok for some stuffed Alfredo shells, and my boyfriend said he wanted them. Y'all know TikTok be having all the recipes for the girls. So yeah, I'm about to get dressed now, and then I'm about to start cooking.
Ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake,
Hey Bestie, so my food is almost done. I made the I stuffed my shells and stuff already. I got my Alfredo sauce cooking right now. So all I gotta do is put these in there when the sauce is done, and then put it in the oven for 15-20 minutes, and then they are done.
I totally feel it. Got motion, made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats getting too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bright, this nigga start getting low.
Hey Bestie, so it's Tuesday evening. My boyfriend just made me some lemon ginger tea, and I just got done working, answering some emails and stuff like that. And I'm about to get ready to head to my first session of Pilates. So one of my goals when I turned 28 was to get on like a health journey, and I wanted to start Pilates. I found this class that's like not even like 5 minutes from my house, so it's no excuses. So we're about to get ready and head to my first session. I have bought some workout gear from Walmart and Target, and I'm ready to put them on and see what they do, and I'm excited. Like, I've been watching like videos and stuff on it, so I'm ready to see what's to it. So I'm about to get ready now and head to Pilates. Okay, y'all, I am back from Pilates. I am clean, just got my hoodie on, all that good stuff. And I just want to end this vlog right here. I just want to thank you all for telling me happy birthday, supporting me, and my new subscribers and stuff like that. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this video. I'm gonna do probably some more like little, you know, chill, becoming her vlogs and stuff like that. And yeah, take you guys on this journey with me while I'm, you know, self-care, you know, all that good stuff. And yeah, y'all, will see y'all in my next video. Thank you.